Let's all watch this.
Each year, the Coffee Expo continues to gain momentum, attracting more participants, garnering increased public support. Your achievements inspire us all, motivating us to address the challenges that still persist within the coffee industry.
The Expo showcases the rich and diverse coffee culture of the Philippines. It highlights the incredible dedication of our local coffee farmers, the ingenuity of our roasters, and the passion of our baristas.
What's great about being a producing country is also a consuming country. It's much closer and faster for the farmers and the baristas and the roasters. It's much closer and much faster for them to have this feedback loop, right? How to improve the coffee, how to improve coffee for specialty, or how to improve coffee at scale.
I think it's pretty unique to our industry. The coffee industry really helps create communities. So I think what we have to think about the stakeholders, that we find a way to support the farmers through difficult times, aside from just buying their coffee beans. So it's just something we just have to openly discuss and see what we can do with the farmers.
The competition is a testament to its emergent popularity and significance to the entire coffee industry. I believe it is the deepening love of Filipinos for coffee in all its innovative product iterations, representations, and reimaginations that carries the day. That the youth came in droves to participate and to support the event manifestly shows that the future of Philippine coffee will be in safe hands and will become more an integral part of the Philippine daily life.
The unwavering commitment and pursuit for quality have not only brought honor to our nation, but have also significantly contributed to the global recognition of Philippine coffees and increased the income of operators in the value chain.
Ang Philippine Coffee Expo 2024 ay naging matagumpay at dahil sa inyo. Ito po ang tagumpay ng Kapeng Pilipino.
I saw a lot of local roasters and local baristas, and I got to meet a lot of people, so it was really nice.
It's very educational for a coffee farmer like me kasi coffee has a very good potential for farmers.
I've been joining Philippine Coffee Expo for years, and I'm looking forward for more. So I believe this is a venue where all coffee partners and industry players can collaborate and cooperate so that we can promote our own.
Philippine Coffee Expo.
We love Philippine Coffee Expo.
We love Philippine Coffee Expo.